What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to be making an introductory video to my channel to hopefully bring you the content that you're looking for. I'll start by introducing myself a little bit. I've been building Hondas for quite a few years now. Just obtained this 09 SI K20Z3. I was previously in an accident in another one I was building. I've always wanted to start recording videos with progression videos of the other vehicles I've owned. Never really had the confidence to just go through with it, so today I will try again. In the military now, don't have all the time in the world, but in my spare time I will be recording these videos, progression on the builds, and hopefully more builds come. Definitely more builds will come throughout time. She is a little dirty. I guess let's tell you a little bit about the car. So right now, pretty much all stock. Previous owner stated not too much is wrong with it. However, had quite a few issues I've already fixed. Did not get into videos, but all the next problems you will get to see. So problems don't go away. When you fix one, another one comes up. But that's how it is. This one is completely stock aside from the wheels, and the previous owner decided to remove the muffler by itself. If you own a Honda, you know, just removing the muffler sounds a little bit rice, but plan to do a lot of things onto this one that I did to my 08 SI K20Z3. Starting with ordering some Skunk 2 alpha headers, and then getting a custom 3-inch exhaust made, probably with an NVIDIA muffler tip, because that sounded perfect to me. And yeah, like I said, I hope I can bring you content that you're looking for. Maybe some laughs, gain some followers, meet new people, and yeah, we'll go from there. A little bit more about the car. It does have a cheap AutoZone air intake, it looks like. This is not the original motor. It is a K20Z3, about 130,000 miles on it. It is dirty. Previous owner said when he had this car, it started knocking. So he got this one, put it in. It has some old, dirty, has sport engine mounts. Not all of them either. Some of them are just stock mounts. Yeah, over time I will be cleaning this up. It's already yellow but very dirty. Probably painting the intake manifold, replacing some things so they're nice and shiny and it won't have rust on it. Probably going to pull that off, maybe replace it, maybe leave it bare hood. My last one had a carbon fiber hood that was smashed in the accident. This definitely is not the cleanest body. As you can see, some paint peeling, scratches. I do believe he also backed into something, cracking the paint. I'll probably be putting new badges on there, eventually new tires, if I can find a place that stretches tires, because it is hard to find that. I do have some Precision Works headlights already here. I will be making an install video on that, along with fog lights and eventually front lip, side skirts, rear diffuser. This mirror is black. This one is blue, so definitely going to be replacing that. Let me show you what he did. Just straight up cut the muffler and left an open pipe. It is on all dirty lowering springs as well, which will be changed to coilovers over time. There is an exhaust leak somewhere in the middle of the pipe, which the 3-inch custom piping will be replacing. But yeah,